Oh my goodness, you guys. I am so excited with how my camper build is turning out. My dream truck camper built for my brand new Ford F-550 right here in Tulsa, Oklahoma by Bison Overland Campers. In the last video, I explained a lot more of the interior and showed the interior assembly. In this video, we're gonna show some panels going up and some exterior extrusions as we push forward to get this massive 12-foot floor camper, the biggest camper Bison Overland has ever done, completed. So we got the real life camper, but how does the real life camper come together? Well, Drew's got the file here.
Yeah, so when we get them in, so like when we do the first thing, this shows us all the inner extrusions, and then that's the outers, so we know what they are. And then like for your interior pieces, so like we're doing the dinette floor, so then we can go in and see which extrusions we need here. So we look for 68, and there we go. That's what we need.
That's awesome.
Makes it handy, pre-cut and everything, ready to go.
Yeah, that's awesome. Let's put that back wall in now. Oopsie daisy. Erpsy doing. Erpser derpsers. Alright. Back panel's going in. Alrighty. This process is so cool. It's like the most highly sophisticated way of literally just gluing something together. And then we'll put the clamps on, as you can see, to clamp it all together. And once the glue sets, we're good. Nice new camper under there. Wow. Oopsie. That's so good looking. That is very nice. We got that side all freshy with all the plastic off. Cleaning up the edges there. What'd you say it's time for, Drew?
First exterior extrusion.
Woo, yeah.
Started looking like a camper.
That's awesome. Chose to do black extrusions because, again, the prefab windows and the doors will be black trim, the truck's black. So we'll probably do some sort of white black kind of wrap paint scheme. Ooh, look at that. So you can get these in black and white. I don't even know if I've shown you the back of the camper so far since we got the back wall in. Those windows are so high up. It's amazing. And that's because the dinette is 20 inches off the ground, so we can fit the 40-inch spare underneath. We also do have room for one back here, but it would take quite a bit of a mount. So I'll probably just do boxes. We've got tons of room back here. No, not boxes, bike rack. We need a bike rack down there. And then the mountain bikes, like the handlebars would be not interfering with the window. That's what we need to do, buddy.
Clamps off here, buddy?
Yeah.
Time for clamps off. Pull them. Hey, pull them.
Clamps off.
Clamps off.
Seems like that's gonna help putting the extrusion on.
I think that might help quite a bit. Good job there, bud. Good job there, bud. All acetoned and ready to roll.
So yeah, one of the things I talk a lot about is using the two-piece extrusions. One thing I really don't like, and a lot of people don't like about like the channel style, you know, you see a lot of the extrusions where the panel slides into the channel. Problem with that is, and we did a lot of testing, Limker guys did a lot of testing, when you do that, if you've got the glue channels, it pushes the glue in and it doesn't stay in the glue channels, and you really don't know what's sticking and even if it is making contact, some builders, they'll put so much glue in that it pushes glue out, and it's really not the way they're designed to be. You've got a lot of glue in there. So the nice thing about pushing on is the glue stays where it needs to be in the channel, and you know it's set how it's designed. So that's a big aspect to the Olympic panels that we use, is they go on like they're designed. You don't have to do something to kind of make it work like all the channel ones do. This is, and the way they go on too, it's just super easy. You kind of saw on the first one that when you stick them on, I just kind of give it a little bit of a wiggle.
Wow.
A little bit of a wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Push it around. And then it's on. And then also the nice thing is we go around and seal everything, but you've got 2 layers of seal, you know, with those channels. Again, I said it pushes the glue, you don't know where it is. So you've got, even it's more so important on the roof, but you've got 2 consistent channels there where it seals off on each side. And then when we do the caps, we seal around them. So before it's even sealed on the outside, it's sealed.
Yeah.
On the inside there. So.
Yeah, it's super cool. Both the panels are like cut halfway, right? So that like half the foam is in contact with this extrusion, and then it's all drilled out for the jacks already. The panels are also prepped for the jacks, which is really cool.
And you can see everything, the camper basically self-squares up. So before this stuff goes on, if everything fits right and our gaps are right, which they always are, the camper's square and you know these are going on well. There's really no way they can get them out of whack, out of square.
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome, dude. Pretty crazy how easy that just glues on there. Wow. And then, yeah, like Drew said, there's glue underneath here, but go in and do the final seal here too for aesthetics and waterproofing. But yeah, the first corner extrusions are on. The black and white Mobzilla, baby.
They stick pretty good without putting the...
Is it beer 30 already?
You're working on the exterior now. It's beer 30
when you
for
work on the
exterior guy.
outside.
Well, I'm the inside guy.
So
Also, it just sounded like it'd be good. I hadn't had any
it's
water
always
today.
beer 30?
Let me
I think I need
Pretty
to.
awesome.
grab this window.
All right, we're gonna doing some editing. Jacob's staining the panels. Nope, not staining, sealing. Appreciate you, man.
Yeah, but
We're cracking an IPA here. That'll cancel out the calories from today's orange chicken lunch. Right? That's how it works?
yeah.
Something like that.
Negative deficit.
Yeah, and then we got the back wall on today. We're gonna get the dinette all bonded in there, all glued in with this big old tube here. But yeah, it's looking, the doors are looking really good after we sanded the edges, and then getting this sealer on, bud.
See you on there, bud.
Should we show the people the sealer?
Oh, sure then. You can show them all those ones over there too on your bed.
Varathane Triple Thick, water-based 3 times faster, advanced self-leveling formula, ultimate durability in 1 coat. Clear satin interior. Applied by Jacob from Radfab here, folks. You can see with the foam roller, it's real nice and easy. Get a little dipperoonie in there and whap bop boop, scooby doo boop. Nice little. Whoa! Can't even keep up. We can't even keep up. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Don't
Whoa!
let me
Whoa!
splatter that thing.
Whoa, whoa. Let's not get the people dizzy here,
Get my
Phil.
finish
Let's
on your
not-
lens.
Don't like, keep the watch time. Don't click away. We're not getting you dizzy here. I'll keep it super smooth. Not having any fun here at the Bison Overland headquarters. Jacob from Radfab, Phil, down to Mob, building the Mobzilla camper. Beep, 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 beep.
Put that shit on the internet.
All right. Yep, I got to get you guys uploaded and into the computer for a video. So here's the SD card reader. Let's go. All right, we got the rear dinette coming together. So it's flipped upside down right now. We just popped the very first little rivet in here, which Just kind of getting everything mocked up, making sure it's all flat, tight. Very nice.
Very nice.
I like. And then we're gonna flip it up, test fit it, make sure it's all good to go, and then drill some more rivets. We're actually gonna drill, we've already planned though, we're gonna drill the rivets out because we do wanna glue it as well. But this way we don't have it glued first, and we're gonna rivet it first. All Jacob's ideas here.
It's almost like I designed it on a computer or something, eh?
It's almost like you spent a lot of time looking at this.
Almost like it's been drawn to fit together and stuff.
Yeah, before it was a real thing. But how does that feel, dude? You've been designing these interiors for what, 2 years now?
Yeah.
And
This is the first one I get to put together. It's real fun.
the first time you've seen them like in person, that's wild. It's cool for me to see because I'm like, how do you know all this? And then I'm like, oh yeah, you
Draw them all.
spent an intimate amount of time with it on the computer and draw all this, and you are the expert. It's really cool to see. So yeah, I think this is a great method of putting it together, and real excited here to do the old flip skis and test fit. So set you guys up, maybe do a little, oh yeah.
Yeah, boy.
My guy knows what he's doing here. He's got the rivet here. He's gonna pop it in the gun there. Gonna give it a little pop-a-rooney. And we're good to roll. That was just keeping it square, keeping the tension with the blue tape. Dude.
I like a blue tape more than the other tape because it doesn't leave any residues, you know?
Yeah.
You gotta check it because it's not the world's stiffest tape.
Oh, the Ford Eruption green looking so good. Ooh-wee.
Yeah, we will need to figure out how to pull that top corner together. Oh, you know what we should do?
Huh.
This front corner,
Yeah.
actually all of these, let's switch this out for the 1/4 inch bit and get rid of this,
Okay.
and let's bolt these together.
Oh, with our bolts.
Yeah, because then I can actually suck that together, whereas the rivet gun's not sucking it.
Okay. Let's do the things.
Yeah.
One of these. Like some of these. Like, we get like one of these, and like, we'll get like one of these. Just sucking out the shaving. That's why we're gonna use bolts instead of rivets. Flipping out. Wow, look how strong. Look how strong. Here, I'll get up here.
We will both.
Oh, we will both. We will both. That shows how tall it is.
I'll grab this side. Just make sure you're supporting the side.
I got it. It's really light.
Yeah.
This thing's so freaking light. It's crazy.
It's not unreal how
Like,
big
hold
it
on,
is.
hold on. Let me show the people here. Just help me balance. Like, I got the whole, I got the whole thing.
It probably weighs 20 pounds.
That's insane. It's so light. And it looks like it fits just about perfect. It looks like you maybe designed this in the computer. Oh, bringing
Let's
those.
see how it goes. Oh, it's one of the bathroom, Phil.
Dude, the toppers for the dinette. So yeah, this was one of my I guess it's kind of a weird request, but I wanted the top access on the sides, and then the back, the flip down on the back.
So sick.
Right? Whoa, dude, nice, good call. Mainly didn't want all these drop down because then these would interfere with these, and I think it's nice to have top access to these, but then to be all the way in the back and have to get the cushion up.
Well, and also,
I figure you just go in from the bottom down here.
it'd be kind of dope. If this,
It'd also be cool if that was flipped even.
If this side door access was this tall. I guess this needs to be fixed.
Yeah, that'd be amazing.
Or if you just did two.
Yeah, not really too possible, but look at that with the Camp Light logo in the center of that back window. That's funny, the trailer. But look at that dinette, dude. Oh my gosh. Looks so good. So we just got the other faces stained. We can put this face in too. Right? Got that stain. We need to stain these too, or not stain, seal. Not just it's not a stain, it's a seal.
I think we should set the dinette in the galley.
Yeah. We're just waiting on the water tank because the water tank's going right here in the kitchen galley.
Let's set it in.
But to be honest, it was a little bit too much of an afterthought. Kind of forgot, hey, we need to get that water tank in.
Yeah.
So
before we build the camper.
yeah. So a few days ago, Colin brought that up, and
Yeah.
he was like, "How you gonna be able to fit the water tank through there?" And I was
We're
like,
gonna get like
shoot.
3 10-gallon tanks there. What's your plan there, buddy?
Yeah, I was like, oh shoot. Yeah, I want like 50 gallons of water. So we found a 55-gallon tank from Class A Customs actually on old Amazon. Comes with a water pump.
That's so
So yeah. So
Here in
it's
Monterey.
gonna go right under here in the kitchen galley, but it needs to go in from the backside. This side's gonna be all bonded to the walls, and then it wouldn't be able to fit in the front here, I don't think.
I don't think either.
So
Try not to.
thanks, Colin. Really great to have smart, talented people around who maybe thought of things that you didn't. And that's why this build is here. So freaking cool. It looks absolutely gorgeous.
That is so pleasing. Look at the big spider.
Ooh, that's a fly there, bud.
Oh, I can't tell from this far away.
Did it? Get my face here, guy. You gonna track me, okay? Oh, come on. We gotta get in there.
Maybe it doesn't like the shadow of your head.
Oh, it's literally the only time it's ever done. Hey, you want to get my face here? All right, let's go. All right, you ready?
We're ready.
It's tracking my face. I gotta keep looking at it.
Turn down.
Turn down for what?
All the way down here. We gotta go over there.
Turn down for what?
Alright, now you can start turning.
Turn down for what, dude? That's how light this
Lift it
stuff
up.
is, dude.
Where you go?
Oh yeah, this
We gotta
is.
go up the level.
I forgot it. It's perfectly.
It's, you need to go up a little bit on your end. Up there. Okay, now.
Wow. Wow. Alright, here, don't slam it in too much, right? We can slam it in out.
Will you hold that? I'm gonna put a little bit of tape on the back of the hold this plant.
Yeah.
I don't want it to slip in that corner and scratches. Oh, jeez.
Oh yeah, you got that there. That's the step. That's the step that's gonna go right here. So we got the dinette in. We got, this is gonna be storage underneath the fridge. The fridge will go up here, full size Dometic fridge. And we got the rear dinette back in, and we got our kitchen galley in. There's a seat right here, so we'll do a separate lagoon kind of style table mount. Boom! Look at that. That really ties things together, dude.
It does.
That's awesome. So that step is hollow, so you could go ahead and just do a quick
That's cool. Put dog holes under there. It'd be sweet.
quick little shoe storage, or yeah, dog bowls. I think that's a great spot for dog bowls so you don't step on them.
Don't trip on them. That's so nice.
Yeah, dude.
Dude, this is pretty cool.
Yeah.
We should do this again.
Great progress today on the interior. So yeah, maybe this would be the end of the video, I guess. Right? You never know. I always need these ends.
Oh, hey, friends.
Hey, how about these guys comment what they think about the video for us here? Give us a like if they enjoyed it.
Let
If
us
you
know
need
what
a-
you thought of the interior.
Yeah. Yeah, if you need a fully custom interior designed by Jacob from RadFab here, he's right here.
Don't forget to subscribe
Yeah,
if you're not already.
yeah. We'll see you on the next one.
Bye, friends.
Finishing this thing up. The only question is, are you down to mob a RadFab built interior? Wow.